Forget passively waiting for your ideal life to appear. Forget chasing success without direction. What if the most powerful tool for transformation isn't out there somewhere, but already within you? In this video, we re-unlocking the secret to intentional creation. How to go from simply existing to actively building a life of purpose, one choice, one moment, one action at a time. This isn't motivational fluff. This is a blueprint, and it starts now. Let's be honest, most people aren't really living. They're just running on autopilot. Wake up, scroll, work, react, repeat. We confuse being busy with being on purpose. We chase to-do lists, but lose sight of why we're doing any of it. And over time, we become passengers in our own story, letting external pressure, habits, and noise shape a future we never consciously chose. This is the trap of passive existence, and the way out is intentional creation. Every meaningful life begins with a blueprint. And no, I'm not talking about your job title, income, or social status. I'm talking about something deeper. What are your core values? What energizes you? What legacy do you want to leave behind? Imagine your life 5 years from now. Not just what it looks like, but how it feels. Now, reverse engineer it. What can you do today that brings you closer to that vision? Your daily actions are either building your future or burying it under distractions. When you connect your tasks to your purpose, even the mundane becomes meaningful. So how do we move from vision to victory? Here's your Intentional Creation Toolkit. First, time block your priorities. Not just what's urgent, but what's important. Second, learn to say no. Because every yes to distraction is a no to your future. And third, practice micro-intentions. Those small, deliberate choices that, over time, create massive transformation. Intentionality isn't about perfection. It's about alignment. Choosing, over and over again, what truly matters. We live in a world of constant noise, and distraction is the enemy of intention. If you want clarity, curate your input. Clean up your digital space. Limit what drains you. Feed what fuels you. Build a resilience ritual, a daily habit that brings you back to center. Whether it's journaling, a walk in nature, or a few moments of silence. And never underestimate the power of community. Surround yourself with people who support your purpose, not sabotage it. The most fulfilling lives are not the most famous, but the most intentional. When your actions align with your values, joy follows. When you show up with purpose, you inspire others to do the same. When you stop drifting and start choosing, you build a life that outlives you. Every word you speak, every habit you practice, every boundary you set, it all sends a ripple. And those ripples create your legacy, not someday, now. Thank you for watching. If this message challenged you to take ownership of your path, hit like, leave a comment below, and share this with someone ready to stop drifting and start building. And don't forget to subscribe for weekly motivation to help you create a life that matters. You were born to build, so let's build with purpose, together.